So I just watched The Devil's Rejects, the sequel to House of a Thousand Corpses. It's not bad. It just doesn't flow with the first movie. And it's not bad. I don't hate it. I don't dislike it. The ending is woo! Good ending. A lot of filler here and there. But I thought overall it was a pretty fun film to watch. I think like a 7 out of 10 is fair. Could go lower in the future, but yeah. It's not bad. It's not awful. It's just not... It's a sequel. Sequel's never quite as good as, you know, Kermit and Friends would say. So, yeah. Cheese.